Hello, this is Simon Hyatt. I'm the contributing editor of Asian Banking and Finance magazine. I'm here today in the ABF magazine headquarters in Singapore to celebrate the winners of the most prestigious banking awards in the Asia-Pacific region, the Asian Banking and Finance Awards 2021. I am joined today by Panji Irawan, the Director of Treasury and International Banking at Bank Mandiri. Bank Mandiri has won the Domestic Trade Finance Bank of the Year award for Indonesia in the ABF Wholesale Banking Awards. Panji, thank you so much for joining us today and congratulations on your award win.
Thank you very much, Simon, for inviting me, and thank you very much for the Asian Banking and Finance for recognizing Bank Mandiri as Indonesia Domestic Trade Finance Bank of the Year. I really appreciate this.
Panji, how has your appointment as Biopharma's checking bank and leader of the Club Deal Banks helped the firm in their vaccine procurement?
Yes, actually it is a very, very important duty last year that we have, and it is still continuing for this year, because when the Biopharma got the deal from the Sinovac, and then the Sinovac needs the banks that really opening the LC. So actually, a lot of banks in Indonesia, they are proposing the structure of trade finance to Biopharma. Then Biopharma introducing and inform the Sinovac as its financing bank. But finally, the Sinovac choose Bank Mandiri as the only one bank that is suing the bank, and he got the trust to choose Bank Mandiri. So that is actually the case, and then we have the club deal, and the club deal is appointing Bank Mandiri as the checking bank and the issuing bank. So it is a kind of trust that the Bank Mandiri get from the banking in Indonesia, and we are really happy to help the Biopharma so then they could issue the LC, and then the LC will accepted by the bank in Sinovac banking, and then the vaccine is really smooth come to Indonesia. So I think it is really a kind of a very good cooperation and very good coordination, and a kind of trust coming to the market.
What is your edge over other banks offering trade services and finance facilities to your clients?
Actually, Bank Mandiri is coming from the long-term history, starting from the Dutch period, and then merging with National Bank, becoming Mandiri in 1998. So a long history of doing trade finance business is one of our strengths. So it is a kind of the things that are very competitive in the market. And we also have the good research, we have a very good relationship, and we have a very good team, and we have a very good capability in executing the deal. So those kind of variables are also supporting the creativity and innovative things that are being accepted by the clients. So we really following what is the client needs, and we do it fast. So this is a kind of competitive advantage and the strength of Bank Mandiri.
Panji, what are the significant achievements that this has brought to the bank and to your clients? And what else can we expect from you in offering innovative trade products and services to your customers?
Well, actually, deliver the speed for the clients, and also it is really giving them a very good user experience and fulfilling what they need. So the idea of serving them with a passionate way. So this is also the Bank Mandiri has, and Bank Mandiri ambition. And also by having that, and we keep on satisfying our client in the trade services as well as trade finance. It also come with the fee-based income, as well as the current account, as well as the saving account that come to the Bank Mandiri, and it has a 25% of revenue pool in the fee-based income, as well as 25% of market share in the current account. So we are really the biggest in the current account size in Indonesia, and in fact now is Bank Mandiri is the biggest bank in Indonesia. So again, the combination of that, and then there is a long story, and we are really committed to the task. And then the next thing that we are really going to do is, we know that we have several applications that being scattered. The global trade application, the supply chain management, the Bank Garansi application, as well as the electronic FX. So we are now in the project of making them in the one single signing on and integrating them in one application that we are calling the Copra. So it will be announced on the next October by the time the Bank Mandiri celebrating the 21st anniversary.
Panji, how will the award motivate your team at Bank Mandiri to remain steadfast, especially with respect to the pandemic?
To be honest, it is really meaningful. It is really inspiring. It is a very good recognition for Bank Mandiri coming from the Asian Banking and Finance. We are already been chosen and recognized as the Indonesia Domestic Trade Finance Bank of the Year. So all of the team members, because it is not only the the Directorate of Treasury and International, which is we have the Wholesale Transaction Banking Group, but it is also the works of International Banking and FI. It is also the loan guy. It is also the distribution guy, the IT guys. So it takes a lot of group and people to have this award. So it is really meaningful, and it is really inspiring us to serve more and then create more and do innovative more. And to be honest, this is for Republic of Indonesia. As you mentioned at the beginning, the vaccinating is really working, and we are really in the process of reducing the amount of fatality in Indonesia due to the pandemic of COVID-19.
That's wonderful to hear. Panji Irawan, Director of Treasury and International Banking at Bank Mandiri, thank you so much for being with us today, and congratulations on your award win.
Thank you very much, Simon. Keep healthy and keep safe.